Hello buddy, this is Super Gamer 360 here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Minecraft Exploding Creeper, the new action figures generation. The last generation was the small version, but now the big version. Only got one, and here is the BB8 pop figure. I'm going to be unboxing at the second time, but I'm going to be unboxing this first. Alright, so here is the boxing. It's very looking nice. Minecraft Exploding Creeper, blah blah blah. You can read that when you pause the video. These are all the other characters. There's Skeleton, a sheep, Steve, the wolf, and Alex. And here is the back box of the, I don't know why it says crafting TNT, I guess because it explodes, but we're gonna unbox it. So let me just do that. Let me just get my scissors, hang on. Alright, I got my scissors. Alright, here they are. Alright. So I guess I think I need to cut it from the top. I don't see any tape, which is very odd. Oh, here they are. Oh, here's tape. Hang on. Alright, I'll cut the tape. Now let's unbox it. Alright, it's very cool. I got this today. Alright, we're gonna pull it out. Alright. Very cool. This is the inside thing, so it looks like it's exploding, but we're gonna go into the toy. That looks very cool. This is my first one, so I want to just open it. So here's the head. Here's the body. Hang on. It's very hard. Alright, I got the belly, which is really cool. Wait, where's the head there? Right, got belly. Right, now the legs. They move. Yeah, they do. Oh, got the leg wrap. That's all the body parts. They're all gone. Alright, I'll chuck it away after this video, but the legs move, which is very cool. They move, and I can put this creeper on top. What? Why is it not going on? Hang on a minute. Why is it not going on? Not going on for some reason. Maybe it's this way. Yes, it is. Alright, here's the head. That looks very cool, and when you press this button on top, it will boom explode. Alright. Let me get it standing up. Might do a stop motion video of this at some point. It'll be very cool, like little Steve and a giant creeper. I don't think I'll do it today though, so press the button. Okay. So it popped. It exploded. Let me go faster. Wait, I think that's the wrong way round. Yep. Oh, any head. Oh, come on. Why is it not going on now? Sorry, hang on. Outside is very noisy, I can't help about it. Isn't it this way? Not going in for some reason. Alright, there. So alright, so that's the creeper. Can't be able to put it back. I'll put it back together at the end of the video. But here is the BB8 figure. I got this a few days ago. You probably saw it in the background of some of my gaming videos. Yeah, that was easy. Alright. Alright. Oh, I forgot to look on back. So here's all the other figures. So like that's BB8, of course. Alright, here's the BB8 unboxing. Alright, let's unbox this thing. Alright. Alright, here is the BB8 figure. It doesn't do very much, it's just like a display figure thingy. Alright, it shakes. Oh, oops. That's pretty cool, ain't it? Star Wars. Alright. That's, oh yeah, it comes off. I didn't know that. That's pretty cool. Let's put it back on. Right, so that's the BB8 and the exploding creeper. So I hope you people enjoy this video. Make sure you subscribe. Time comes to see you next video, and goodbye. And time comes if you like either the creeper or the BB8. Pretty much I like them both. I hope you people enjoy this video. Make sure you subscribe. Time comes to see you next video. Goodbye.